I am good. So when you go back?
I am going tomorrow. So this is my last day here in Singapore, and so this is why I'm gonna enjoy as much as I can. But where I stay in the condo, this is my new friend, Mr. Prabhu. Yeah, I was about to tell him that in India, Prabhu, that means God.
Yes.
Yeah, so you have a really good name. He's from Malaysia, by the way, and he watched my last vlog. People really loved it, and he liked it also. Right. I'll come again and we'll make some more videos, and then I'll be going to Malaysia also, your home. Okay,
yeah,
see ya.
Okay.
Now
Thank you.
I'll be getting the bus as yesterday. Okay, see ya.
Bye. See you.
Bye. The best thing is this one single card can be used in either in metro or even at the bus. It's so convenient, huh? So right now I am here at Bugis station, and from here I'll need to go to Promenade, and from Promenade to Esplanade. Now you might be wanting to know that where I am going. Yesterday I didn't really find anything to shop, but then later at home I did some research on YouTube as well as on the Google, that from where I can get the camera stuff and all. So for traveling in metro in here, so that you don't get confused and you always can keep track of the maps by using this application. Sorry?
I know money, I'm very hungry.
No, I'm sorry, I can't. Well, for the very first time I met someone who is asking for money, that he's feeling hungry or something. I know it was scam, so nevertheless. So I found out that some of the lenses are available in here at very great deals, so this is why I'm going to check them out. So I'm going to check that at KT store in Marina Square Mall. This is where I'm headed right now. And it's my last day in here, so I'll be doing some more shopping for my family itself, because yesterday I couldn't really shop anything. Hello.
Hello again.
Hi. Actually I wanted to look for the Sony 50mm lens.
Yes.
Do you have that?
Yes.
Alright.
Yours is
I'm using A7 III.
Alright.
Okay, so it didn't really work out in there. They were selling it much higher price than I found on Amazon. We're going to some other shop to check out the price of the same lens which I wanted to buy. By the way, I'm surrounded by a lot many emojis. After the Marina Mall, I just decided to go around a bit, and then I again ended up coming here near the Sandway Marina, and at the daytime it's looking damn beautiful. And here under the bridge where some guys are shooting some music videos, and they are doing the absolutely amazing job. So back in the days I used to be really introvert. I didn't really like talking to the new people, but now it's not the case, which I have realized so far. The guys you saw in the B-roll, I ended up meeting them. They were from Italy and exploring Singapore, and they were going to Australia next. So it was really nice to meet those guys, so we ended up talking for very long. And now I met with an uncle auntie from India. They were from Ahmedabad, and they even knew how to speak Punjabi. And nothing could be great than meeting your own people in other countries. Shooting this hyperlapse with this much hot weather and this heavy bag, it's not easy, dude. It's not really easy. So on the way back to other camera shop, while shooting hyperlapses and the time lapses and B-rolls and whatnot, I was sweating inside out. So this is why I thought to get myself a juice. Firstly I thought it would be some kind of soda or so, but this is actual orange juice which they squeezed out of the original oranges. It could be best than this, and it did cost $2 only. So right now here I'm in Marina Mall, and in here I tried out 2 shops, and they both are selling a little bit on expensive side. On one shop it was like $260, but I was thinking if I could get more cheaper, because on Amazon it was showing like $200 only. I was thinking if I could save $60 more. So from the last whole week I was here in Singapore, but never really tried McDonald's even for once. So I just thought, why don't I give it a try. I ordered a Big Mac burger. I don't think so that's available in India. I am filming for my YouTube channel. Yes. I came here just to travel around, so that's what I'm filming in every day here. Yes. From where you are, sir? UK. Nice. For how long you have been here? Okay. You came for traveling only? Oh, nice. Lovely. I'm from India. Yes. On holiday only. Tomorrow is my flight back to home. It's in Punjab. If you ever be to Punjab, definitely go to the Golden Temple. You must have heard about it. Yeah, that's a really beautiful religious place, and everyone, you know, loves to visit over there. So I had my lunch here at McDonald's, and now I'll be going to Sim Lim Square to check out the lenses, and I'll be trying to get the Apple Watch if I'm getting there. And after that I'll be going to home, because today we have dinner together at beach. So this is why today I'll be getting back home soon. I met so many of my new subscribers in here, and there one little kid, I don't know from which country he was, but he also gonna subscribe to my channel. The nearest MRT is City Hall. It's just 400 meters away. I'm gonna walk all the way up. You know, the inner part of the city is really beautiful, and this is the Capital Plaza behind me, and the City Hall MRT station where I was supposed to go is inside this building. So yeah, now we are in Sim Lim Square, and I think this is the heaven for that technology geeks. So I think I might get the lens which I wanted at the right price. So basically I wanted to buy the Apple Watch Series 3 for Manny, and I was looking for a pre-owned one, but tried every single shop in this whole complex, but didn't find any watch except the one he was having, the Series 2 only. So now nothing is left, and I'm heading back to my home. So finally I'm recording it after third time, because you know the pehle do baar mein the audio had some issue. So I reached home. I was really tired, so this is why I didn't really vlog. I had some stuff which I bought for my parents around like 9:30, and we have come to East Coast Park to have the dinner, because tomorrow I have my flight to back home. So this is why we decided to spend our evening outside. So it's 12:15 right now. Basically the next day has started, the 21st already. I'm spending my last night here in Singapore. I haven't even left this country, but I have already started missing it. It was such a lovely time for me to being in here. You know, this country is so beautiful, but it's not only about the places, it's about the people. You know, the people here they are so friendly, they are so polite, they respect you as a human being. They respect your privacy, they respect your safety and whatnot. And these are the things I think we are really missing in India. So most probably in future I'll be coming here again to, you know, live the same life as I lived in here. So I just hope you like this video. I hope you like the whole series, my whole experience which I've shown with you guys, you know, why these videos. So if you liked even the smaller bit of all this whole series, please comment down below, hit the like button, and if you really love these videos, and you can hit the subscribe button also if you are new to my channel. So this is it about today's video. So we'll see you in the next vlog where I am heading towards my home. So see ya in the next one.